Welcome, my children, to the first annual Unholy Event.
Pete here with Tear Gas Union. Fuck. Still rolling?
Still rolling, keep
Pete here
going.
with Tear Gas Union, talking about the Unholy Fest coming up at Bleachers Bar on July 16th. Hanging out with Paul from As Darkness Dies, getting shit rolling. What do you got to say about that, Paul?
How's everybody doing, man? We're really proud to be a small part of the Unholy Fest, man. These guys have been making their mark out here in Connecticut. I remember the first show that they ever did with us, man. They were opening up the Diversity Fest for Metal Syndicate, and now look at it, man. They're putting on their own festivals. It's great to see people actually go for their dreams and achieve it. You got to get behind Tear Gas Union. Take a look at the shirt, people. That's Metal Fortress Radio. That's your only fucking outlet to get your music played. Again, man, this is the first time that As Darkness Dies is going to be coming out with their new lineup, man. You got to really want to be there. It'll be the first time that we play, and maybe the last time that we play locally for a little while. This will be coming off the heels of the huge Laconia Festival that we're playing. So come on down, man. Support your local scene. No egos, no bullshit here. This is just people just trying to support each other and trying to make a fucking mark here in Connecticut. Metal Fortress Radio, Tear Gas Union. How the fuck can you go wrong?
As Darkness Dies, horror merch vendors, everything will be at the show. Bleachers Bar, July 16th. 4 local bands, amazing time. Bring it out, crank it up.
We'll see you there.